Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the Algoactive Trade Xpert EA for MT4. This is an expert advisor currently listed on the MQL5 Marketplace, and I'll be walking through the product page, its stated features, and then discussing the historical testing performance and overall observations. Okay, so starting with the marketplace page, we can see that this EA is designed specifically for MT4. The listed purchase price is 1,000 US dollars with rental options available ranging from 1 month up to 1 year. 1 month is going for 50 US dollars, 3 months is going for 100 US dollars, 6 months is going for 500 US dollars, and a year is going for 800 US dollars. All right. At the time of this review, the EA is published by Arun Chitraga and is currently listed as version 1.0. As I scroll through the description, the developer highlights several core features built into the system, and one of the main focuses is advanced risk management, which is intended to help control exposure while the EA is operating. Risk management is always an important consideration because it can have a significant impact on how an account performs during changing market conditions. The EA also includes a trailing stop loss feature, and in general, trailing stops are used to adjust protective stop levels as the market moves, allowing profitable trades to potentially capture larger price movements while still protecting gains that have already been achieved. Another detail mentioned here is the use of a key value and ATR multiplier setup. According to the developer, the EA utilizes a key value setting of 12 together with an ATR period of 50. These values are also tied to the required UT bot custom indicator that must be installed for the EA to function properly. The developer specifically states that this EA is optimized for the XAUUSD pair and is intended to be used exclusively on the M30 time frame. That is important because performance can vary significantly when the EA is used outside of its intended market or time frame. The product description also notes that the system uses a trend-based algorithm. In addition, martingale and compounding functionality are listed as part of the overall trading approach. As always, traders should understand how these types of position sizing methods can affect both potential returns and overall account risk. Another important note on the page is that this is described as a custom EA that requires the UT bot custom indicator to be installed. The developer also mentions that the marketplace version differs from the files available through their external download source. Moving into the backtesting section, when reviewing any historical testing performance, it is important to remember that backtests provide information about how a strategy performed under past market conditions. They can be useful for analysis, but they should never be treated as a guarantee of future results. So based on what I can see here, from 1st January 2023 to 14th June 2024, initial capital $1,000, profit was $4,549.5, giving a cumulative ROI of 454%, final balance 5,549.5, drawdown 18.1%. All right, pretty interesting. Now let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA actually performed over the past month. All right, so from the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was negative 93.37, and the largest profit was 94.17, largest loss was 47.05, average profit was 35.04, and the average loss was 29.84. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is actually not good enough, even though the average profit is bigger than the average loss, but the difference is not exactly that much. All right. And then I can also see that the maximal drawdown was 0.56%, which is actually okay. And the relative drawdown was 0.56%. Okay, so that's fair. Now, in a moment, let's actually see how this EA, functions in action. All right, let's see this EA in action. Okay, so looking through the the chart activity, looking through the historical testing activity, I would also recommend running longer term testing yourself whenever possible, right? A broader testing period can provide additional insight into how the EA behaves across different market environments, volatility conditions, and trend structures as well. So based on the information provided by the developer, the EA is designed around trend following behavior on XAUUSD on the using the M30 time frame. Now the integration of ATR-based calculations and the required UT-bot indicator suggests that trade decisions are influenced by market volatility measurements and trade trend conditions. Beyond those details, I would avoid making assumptions about the exact entry and exit logic without further verified information. So when evaluating the historical results, it is important to keep in mind that performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. All right, so these factors can all influence how an EA performs in both testing and live environments. Overall, the Algoactive Trade Xpert EA for MT4 presents itself as a trend-focused XAUUSD trading system designed specifically for the M30 timeframe with ATR-based calculations, trailing stop functionality, and integrated risk management features. If you are considering it, I will strongly recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before using it on a live account so you can better understand how it behaves under your preferred trading conditions. As always, if you've used this EA yourself, feel free to share your experience, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.